Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video from platform 7. I'm back at Irinjalakuda station. We are taking the Venad Express to Trivandrum. I'll tell you more details as we go in. Come join me. Okay, so folks, the story is that we are taking the Venad Express from Irinjalakuda to Trivandrum Central. We are traveling on one of the slowest trains on this route. Unfortunately, this is the one on which I could find tickets when I reserved my ticket. I didn't want to travel with a waitlisted ticket, so I just booked on this one. I did some error while booking my ticket and I ended up reserving only from Ernakulam to Trivandrum. So we are traveling from Irinjalakuda to Ernakulam in Unreserved by Venad Express, and then at Ernakulam we'll get into my reservation coach, which is in AC chair car. So there comes the Venad Express from Shoranur to Trivandrum. Okay. Okay. LHP seater coaches don't have the best windows around. If you see this, they protrude so much. So we just departed from Ernakulam town. This is the only train that goes on to Ernakulam South or Ernakulam Junction, then reverses and then goes via Kottayam. It's a very unique train that continues to reverse at Ernakulam South or Ernakulam Junction. So this is the line actually taken by trains going towards Kottayam. So these lines go towards Kottayam. You can see the 0/100 marking here. So these lines were actually built to avoid the reversal at Ernakulam Junction. But like I said, Venad Express continues to reverse at Ernakulam Junction. So we have just reached the other side of the triangle. So these are the lines that go towards Kottayam from Ernakulam Junction. There is Royapuram's VAP 7 30783 waiting here. This loco would be working our train after this. And during the reversal, they also do a loco change. That is a sad sight. Those are 3 alcos which has outlived their utility and are put to the gallows. They are waiting for their scrappage. There are more inside the loco shed. This is Ernakulam diesel loco shed. So we are just entering onto Ernakulam Junction. So we have arrived at Ernakulam Junction. Did you guys just notice the difference of height between the platform and the coach? So we are here to witness the loco change. Parcel loading is happening. New loco has already come in. So loco coupling is just completed. Time for us to head to our coach. There is roughly about 10 minutes more for departure. They have not yet connected the HOG cables, so the AC might not be running. Let's still head to our coach. The HOG cable is just being brought. So this cable in the hand of this gentleman is the HOD cable. So this would be my coach, 195999. It's a Western Railway coach. Condition seems really bad. Let's still get in. So this is our coach. I just came out of the coach. The AC is still not on. It's quite hot inside. Look at the difference in height. While we are waiting for a departure, the next train comes in, which is also to Trivandrum, but this is the faster one, the Kozhikode Trivandrum Junction Express. Just look at the height of the platform, it's so low. Departing from Ernakulam on time. So we'll branch off to the Kottayam line now. That is the KSRTC bus station of Ernakulam. We need to wait for a while. They're given the starter now. So on this side you can see the lines that go towards Ernakulam North Station or Ernakulam Town Station. So these lines go towards Ernakulam Town Station. So this is the other side of the triangle. So this is Ernakulam coaching yard. So there is a rake of Ernakulam Patna Express in the siding. We're going to cross the, I think that is the Bangalore bound Kanyakumari Bangalore Express. So our train is just picking up pace after joining the main line. So we just stopped somewhere after Vaikam Road. I think we are near Etumanur. Looks like we have a crossing here because the section after Etumanur is a single line. I think we are having a crossing here. We just stopped at Etumanur. This is a scheduled halt. We might have a crossing here. So this is my coach, 195999. The exterior condition is very bad. Interior is fairly okay. Arriving at Kottayam. Gap 737207 with the Kochuveli Sri Ganganagar Express. So folks, the journey is coming to an end. The coach is kind of emptied out. We have passed Chirayan Gate. The next stop is Trivandrum Venad. So I was just showing us a little bit about the coach. This end of the coach has got only one toilet. There are no common use wash basins. The cleanliness is just kind of average. I just thought of showing you one more type of non-AC sitting accommodation. The LHB coaches are generally longer than regular ICF coaches, but the seating capacity increased only by 5 seats. A lot of space is available here, which could have been used as a pantry or something like that. I don't know why, but it's not used. The seats are quite good. The leg room is only average, normal, like other AC chair car coaches. I think it could have been better. So finally this journey is also coming to an end. We are just about to enter Trivandrum Central. So here we arrive at Trivandrum Central, delayed by about 3 minutes. So ladies and gentlemen, the journey ends here. There's a bit of train spotting tomorrow. I hope to be able to make some videos about that. And the return journey is almost entirely at night. I don't know if there would be a video on that. If it comes, please do join and support. Thank you for your patronage. Thank you for coming along today as well. See you again in the next video. Bye bye until then. Thank you.